You've been studying English for 10, maybe 15 years. Schools, tuition, courses, apps, YouTube videos, and you still freeze when someone asks you a question in a meeting, and you still feel your heart race before a presentation. You still feel like your English is not good enough. Here is what nobody told you. The problem is not your English. The problem is the way you've been trying to fix it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your English is stuck and the three-step system that will fix it in 30 days. Stay till the end because the last part is the most important. This video is for anyone who understands English but cannot speak it fluently. Freezes in meetings, interviews, or client calls. You have tried courses but never saw a real change. Speaks confidently in Hindi but goes blank in English. I work with professionals every day and I see the same problem again and again. They're not bad at English, they've just been doing three things wrong. Let's talk about each one. Problem number one. You've been taking the wrong input. You watch English movies and shows, but your brain is still in entertainment mode and not the learning mode. Entertainment mode is more relaxed, passive, and not really absorbing the language. You understand what you hear, but you can't produce it yourself. And this is called passive input. And passive input is good and important. However, it does not build speaking fluency. Wrong input is Netflix, songs, casual scrolling, and no active engagement. The right input is short, focused videos, real conversations, content where you pause and repeat speaking them out loud. Think of it like watching someone swim for 10 years and then jumping in the pool and drowning. Watching is not doing. We don't learn by just watching someone or by reading about someone. Your speaking muscles need active practice. Your mouth has never practiced, only your ears have. And that's why you're able to listen and understand because you've been doing a lot of listening, but very few speaking. So this is what you have to do. Pick one 5-minute English video, educational, not entertainment. Watch it once normally. Now watch it again and pause every sentence and repeat it out loud. So if they say, "Hey John, how are you doing?" You pause and you repeat it. And now you say, "Hey John, how are you doing?" You have to copy the tone, the words, the speed, and the rhythm. This one habit 15 minutes a day changes your input completely. Problem number two, you have a silence habit and you built it by yourself. Do you remember in school, you were trained to stay quiet until you were 100% sure? Only raise your hand when you know the perfect answer. Never make a mistake in front of others. That training followed you into your career, into every meeting, every presentation. And the real cost, you know the answer. Someone else says it first. You go quiet. That's not lack of intelligence. That's a habit your brain built over 20 years. What actually happens in the brain? That your brain learned speaking means somebody will judge you. So it protects you by staying silent. And the only way to break this, the only way, you have to create new evidence for your brain to see. This is how you fix it. You have to speak before you are ready. Every single time. You have to prepare your key points out loud before every meeting, not in your head, out loud. Whether you're at home, speak your thoughts in English, even alone. Each time you speak and survive, your brain updates its belief. Confidence is not a feeling, it's a result. It comes after you speak, not before. So here is the system. 3 steps in this exact order, and don't skip any of them. Step 1, the input. Fix what you consume. Right input, not more input. Short educational English videos, 5 to 10 minutes. Pause, repeat, copy the rhythm. Change your phone language to English. Make English your environment, not your subject. This is the foundation. If you don't have a good foundation, nothing else will work. That's step 1. Step 2, volume. And this is the step that everyone skips. Most people stay stuck in step 1 forever. They keep learning, they keep absorbing, but they never start speaking. They wait until they feel ready, and that day never comes. You have to speak as much as possible every day. You talk to yourself, you talk to the mirror, your phone, your camera, the wall, the bike, talk to everything. And you have to speak badly at first. Speak as bad as possible, make as many mistakes as you want to make. And this is how it starts for everyone. It is only through volume that you will build your speaking muscles. There is no other way. And that is why you have to make a lot of mistakes. Bad speaking today becomes good speaking in 30 days. Final step, optimize. Now you fix the mistakes, but only after you have put in enough volume. Now you start recording yourself speaking and you listen back the recording and notice what breaks. One thing at a time. You have to fix the sentence structure first and then the vocabulary and then the accent. Don't try to fix everything at once. Fix one thing, master it, then move on to the next. So input, volume, optimize in that order every time. You don't need a new course. You need a new daily habit. Here it is. It's a 30-day mirror challenge. Every morning, stand in front of a mirror and pick any topic. Your day, your job, a lesson you learned, friends you play with. It could be anything. It doesn't matter. Speak for 2 minutes, non-stop. No editing, no pausing. Don't worry about it. Just record it on your phone and listen back just once. Notice the one thing that broke and fix only that tomorrow. Pronunciation, grammar, just one thing, not 10 things, just one thing. And that's it. You don't need a course. You don't need any application. You don't need a grammar book. It's just you, the mirror, and 2 minutes every morning. Of course, on the day one, you will sound terrible, and that's normal. But on the day 30, you will not even recognize your own voice. And that's the point. Now, if this video showed you something you didn't know before, share it with one person right now who needs to hear it. And drop a comment below. Tell me which one of 3 problems are you struggling with. Is it the wrong input? Is it the silence habit? Or are you stuck in learning without speaking? I read every comment. I will reply to all of the comments. I will see you in the next one.